Well, this is a Environmental Science 1123 lab course. None of the students in this course are science majors. They're all taking it as a science elective. This semester we have several really interesting projects going from solar energy, using solar panels on campus, to air quality, using a DIY air filtration unit, to river water quality, lead in drinking water. There's about 6 or 8 different projects that students are working on, questions that they're curious about.
Our goal is to see how much energy we can save using a solar panel instead of actual electricity from the school, and see how much possibly this project can save us, or save the school money from their electricity bill every month.
Really, we just want to show that it is possible to power a TV solely on the power of the sun, and hopefully show that after a small initial investment, the school can be completely self-sustaining on power.
And students pick a project that they just have some interest in, and then they delve into it and really immerse themselves in it. Then they get excited about it, and honestly, it's one of the best courses that I teach, most enjoyable courses for me that I teach, because of the energy and the buzz that gets generated in the room when students are actively engaged in investigating something that they're interested in.
We want to know what bacteria is growing in a certain room, why it's growing there, and what is in our building, really. It almost seems like a personal experiment for all of us. We just want to know what we have, what can we do to prevent these bacteria and make our air a little bit cleaner to breathe in. And the first thing we have to do is see how dirty our air actually is.
The overarching goal is to immerse these students in science, the scientific method, and how to interpret data, and then convey it to the general public. So communication is a large part of it as well.
And this is a coverboards project. Coverboards are pieces of either plywood or styrofoam that you go and place in certain areas to see what kind of insects or species, organisms that you can collect under them.
I think environmental science is actually really good for, even if you're not a science major, it's good for you to know, even if you're like business major, doctor, anything like that, just because it opens up your mind just to see how other stuff is being used, and it shows you how to save on other stuff, not just solar, possibly how can we see energy, and you have the actual environment, rocks, all that cool stuff, just knowing how it works and how stuff can help you out in the future.
Students really respond to this very well. They're actually doing science instead of just reading about science, and they're identifying a research project that they feel strongly about, and that is always helpful in motivating them to do good work.